Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I only have 4 job leads to share with you today, but they are all non phone. I know most of you don't want to be on the phone all day doing customer service, so I do my best to bring you what you're actually looking for. But always, if there's something specific you're looking for, feel free to leave it in the comments. I can never make any promises, but I do try to find things I know you're actually looking for. We have several different companies hiring for non phone customer support. We have a financial company and the shopping app, Whatnot, hiring for people to do like email, chat, things like that. We have Ulta Beauty hiring somebody to do customer service strictly through answering those social media messages. And if you don't want to do support, you're more like a healthcare person, Amazon is also hiring someone in the healthcare field to do like claims review. So we've got a mixed bag, hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need is always found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, first up, we have a financial company called OppFi. Now, OppFi has a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. And OppFi is looking for a chat advocate. This is remote for the United States. And so they really lead digital finance. They have a digital finance platform that works with banks to provide financial products. So this is something kind of, I envision it to be more like Lending Tree or something where you can go onto their financial platform, put in your information, and it kind of looks at your profile and matches you with different financial products and different banks depending on what you're looking for. Maybe you're looking for like 401k or retirement plans, or maybe you're looking for loans. It kind of does some matching for you. So they are looking for somebody to basically engage as a chat advocate, helping people with any questions they have navigating the website or just general questions through that website chat. They're already on that website and they're doing that website pop-up box. Now you are going to be expected to multitask and handle 3 customers at a time, responding to each chat as it comes in within 30 seconds. But if you can kind of work in a fast paced environment, they don't require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has a previous experience in customer service in some kind of chat. You can type pretty fast, 60 to 80 words per minute. Again, you can multitask, you're very detail oriented, and you're a critical thinker. You can kind of think on the spot, solve people's problems, and just work under pressure. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $39,245 a year up to $64,755 a year. Now, next up, we have the shopping platform Whatnot. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of Whatnot before. I've seen it advertised on like TikTok and in some YouTube videos. It seems to be a platform influencer use sometimes to like share products with their audience. Maybe they can make commission off those products. But Whatnot is a shopping platform and they have an employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience agent. This is remote for the United States. Now, pay is anywhere from $24.04 an hour up to $28.85 an hour. Now, one thing to quickly note about this job before we get in is they do prefer somebody kind of not far from their Phoenix, Arizona hub. I'm not sure if they require you to come into the office every so often for team engagements, team meetings, things like that. So just know if you're outside of Phoenix, Arizona, or you're not within a commuting distance to that, this one might not be the best fit for you. And real quickly, I do want to say in the job description, they don't actually say it's non-phone, but they lead to that when they are looking for the requirements. They want somebody who like has done email and chat before. So I believe this is completely email, non-phone, and chat, because if you go to their actual website and you click on their contact us page in their help center, you can either get self-help through articles, or it tells you there's 2 ways to actually get help: through downloading the Whatnot app on your phone and going to purchases and get help for this purchase and submitting like a question through the app, or you can come to the website and do the activity icon and do the website chat. So they do not have a phone number that customers can call in for support. which means you're going to be answering customer questions through those emails and chats, but they're just looking for somebody to drive the best possible user experience through process improvement, order management, and problem solving. So you're interacting with customers and sellers with like the attitude of serving them first, and you're resolving all kinds of issues. So this is a shopping platform. People are going to have payment issues, order issues, want to know where their shipments are lost, or general questions. So you're just answering all of that, trying to even troubleshoot a little bit of a tech issues that they might be having using the app or website. Now, they do prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree or college experience, but it's not required as long as you've had at least 2 years of experience handling email or chat services. You understand shopping marketplaces, e commerce, how online shopping works. You have experience kind of with systems like Zendesk, or you can at least learn and navigate software systems on a computer pretty quickly. And you do have to be a problem solver. So up next, of course, we have Ulta Beauty hiring. Now, Ulta Beauty probably needs no introduction. They have retail like makeup and hair care stores. They do have a 3.4 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They are looking for a social media representative, basically doing social media customer service. Now, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it does say this is a remote work from home position. But they're looking for somebody to deliver exceptional customer service across their different social media platforms or online review sites and the Ulta Beauty community. This means you're answering questions like on X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, even a Snapchat. So you're just responding and resolving guest questions through those social media platforms, communicating and collaborating with your peers and coworkers as needed, assisting associate manager by sharing trends observed on social media. So if you have a lot of questions of the same thing, you want to escalate that up, let your leadership know. But you're basically going to be managing multiple computer systems at the same time to be able to research, resolve, and document any guest service inquiries and log each interaction, of course, into the computer system. So, when you get a message or comment on social media, you might be handling things like customer satisfaction or order questions, or they say that they never got their order, but Ulta charged them, or maybe Ulta charged their credit card twice. They're going to have basically all kinds of order issues, or they might want product recommendations. You're just basically all things customer service for things coming in on social media. Only requires a high school diploma and 2 years of some kind of customer service experience. Now, they do want somebody who is willing to shift work, schedule different scheduling to cover staffing gaps. So maybe if you're willing to pick up extra hours, work some nights, weekends, things like that. You do have to have great communication skills and a knowledge of how social media platforms work, how to answer messages, things like that. Proficient in just computers and software systems, be able to navigate around computers, and of course, you've got to be able to multitask and be highly organized. Now, pay for this one is going to be like a standard retail type pay. It's anywhere from $15.39 an hour up to $19.50 an hour. And last but not least, we have Amazon hiring. Now, Amazon has been moving into the healthcare space with their one medical service that they now provide. Amazon has a 3.6 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They are looking for a revenue cycle analyst for their Amazon Health. Basically, you are going to be a member of this Amazon One medical team, just supporting their revenue cycle. And revenue cycle is basically money coming in. So, like the finance department, departments that bill insurance claims or bill self pay and get those claims paid. So, you're really going to be responsible for the claims management, making sure that they are submitted to all insurance companies on time, maintaining that timely billing of services provided to the patients, making sure that those claims are error free, accurate, and of course, so you're providing speed of charge entry. So once a patient is seen with Amazon One Medical, those charges need to get entered into the system on a timely fashion so that once those charges are entered into the system, the claims can go out to the insurance company. So you're just handling the daily goals in a fast-paced environment of getting those claims out the door error-free so the insurance companies will pay them. I imagine too that you probably have to follow up when the insurance companies don't pay, finding out why, finding out if there's something you can change and resubmit that claim. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this one, but they do want somebody who's worked in healthcare before, 2 years in a primary healthcare setting with 2 years experience with some kind of insurance receivable, insurance billing. They want somebody who's kind of worked with Medicare government type payers before, strong attention to detail, great communication skills. And pay is going to be dependent kind of on your location, but can go anywhere from $32,100 a year to around midpoint of $56,300 a year. And in some higher cost of living areas, pay can go up to $62,600 a year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.